It's flight time with Uda!
Hi there, I'm Uda, the unmanned teaching assistant. A lot of folks ask about flying your drone over people. The short answer is, don't do it. According to the FAA's Part 107 operating rules, you can't fly directly over people. This rule applies to flying over anyone that's not directly involved in your drone operation. If you're flying over a structure, you need to treat it like it's fully occupied and make the necessary precautions in case of anything unexpected, like mechanical failure, loss of signal, or people or property, like cars entering the area. It's recommended that you notify anyone in the area not in your operation of your presence. You can use things like cones, a landing pad, a safety vest, and even a crowd control crew. Now, there's no safe distance specified, but in an emergency situation, your drone must not impose any risk or harm to people or property, so keep it a safe distance at all times. If the FAA has to investigate an accident, one of the first questions will be, what safety procedures did you put in place to mitigate the risk? So, do your drone a favor and be aware of all the moving parts at your mission's location. Be sure to fly safely away from people and all hazards. Visit DroneEducationServices.com for more. Subscribe to our social media and be sure to register your drone at FAADroneZone.faa.gov. Fly safe, fly often, and have fun.